and welcome to this new HidePay tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to retrieve the correct payment method name. Sometimes the rule you created might not work properly to hide or move a specific payment method. This issue usually arises when the incorrect name of the payment method is being used. Now, we'll see how to retrieve the correct names of all active payment methods on your store independently by using the logs page. Let's get started. We'll use this simple rule as an example, hiding the cash on delivery method if the cart total is greater than 0. Now, let's go to our site, add a product to the cart, proceed to the checkout, and observe that the rule isn't functioning as expected. Next, let's return to the back office and open the HidePay app. Go to the log section. At first, this page may appear empty or display some lines, as shown in this example. Click on the Share Logs button in the top right corner. This action opens the settings page. Now go in the function area. Open the menu here on this button and click Share Logs. A pop-up window will open and you click Share Logs again. Perfect. As indicated in the message, the logs have now been shared. You can now consult them on the logs page. Close the settings page. You'll be immediately redirected to the logs page, where you'll see new lines with today's date and time. Click on one of the entries and a log detail window will open. Scroll down to locate the payment methods section. In this section, you can verify the correct names of all the active payment methods in your store. For this example, I can confirm the correct name to use for hiding cash on delivery in my store. From here, simply copy the name directly from the logs. Return to your rule and add it as a new method in the rule settings. Important: do not rename the payment method. It's mandatory to add it as a new method exactly as it appears in the logs for the rule to read it correctly. Save the rule and let's go back to store to check if it now works. Refresh the checkout page and you'll see that cash on delivery is successfully hidden. As you've seen, you can now independently verify the correct names of all your payment methods with just 3 simple clicks. I'm confident this feature will help you save valuable time and easily resolve such minor issues. And remember, if you need assistance, our support team is always available to help you. See you in the next tutorial.